channel, and today we have another video. Good day to be in a small town. Oops, sorry for my fingers, but good day to be in a small town. Cars come by. Jeez. My water. School day too. So, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I mean? I'm actually wearing tennis shoes for once. You know what I'm saying? I am actually wearing tennis shoes. That's a first. That's an actual first. This is a car coming. What you gotta do, what you gotta do. Oh, there's this thing yesterday with them tracks going this way. Going that way. Or that way, whichever one you want to say. It was like, had like 4 wheels on both sides. I was like, man, I kind of want one of those, but I bet you it cost a lot of money. So, man, I just got asked to go coach some football. Just now, I got asked to go coach some football today, 3 p.m. Yes, sir. Oh, this beauty. Yep, your boy just got asked to go coach some football. I need a detailer. Does anybody know a good detailer around where I live? Hope so. But I'm actually excited. I am actually excited, honestly. But no. No, but yeah, I got asked. Me getting asked to go coach some football? That's the first. I never knew I would get asked. You know. Hey, if y'all like this video so far, drop a comment. But that's an actual first that I got asked to go coach some football. I'm like, wait a minute. When he asked me, I was like, wait a minute, hold on, you sure you want me to do that? Like, yeah, you can. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Shoot. And I played football. I played football for the team. For the high school. So, I mean, I know a little bit, unless they changed up everything, you know. But besides that, shoot, I put down the punishment, you know what I'm saying? As in, like, rolling the whole field 600 times. You know? 600 yards. But hey, gotta get them to learn, you know what I'm saying? I had to roll a few times. That was pretty fun. No, it wasn't. Hey, gotta do what you gotta do. My slogan, I should make that my slogan. I should put that on a shirt. Oh, and yesterday, this guy came up to the spot. I didn't know him. I ain't gonna mention his name. But he's a real nice dude. And he had his drone out. My drone, the one not my drone. Okay. The drone I would like to get when I get the money. He said, and it was a lot windier than it is now. And he said, hey, would you like to give it a try? I was like, no, not today. No. I don't want to crash his drone, you know. It's like $1,000. Like, no, I'm good. Maybe on a different day. Plus, if I float out over the lake, I don't want to wreck it. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to. Me personally, I don't want it to be the one that makes it end up in the middle of the lake. But I was like, yeah, next time it's not windy. I was like, yeah, I'll give it a try, you know. So I'm kind of excited about that. And like I said, coaching football.
I don't know if you can see it, but there, he put saw down. So yeah, it's going it's gonna be going all the way down. And you can kind of see the mounds of dirt down there. So this is gonna look nice. And see, the grass is starting to grow back from where they put down the dirt. You see? So it's lake days are getting serious. They're getting serious down here in this small little town.
They are getting serious.
Which camera thing y'all like better? This one, like the one it is now, or the wide angle? Of course, some of y'all might say the wide angle because, you know, of course it's wide. But at night, it kind of sucks. So this one brings in more light. It makes everything look darker at night.
So whatever you prefer in my videos, I can keep it on wide angle, or I could just keep it on the close-up one, or I could just switch between both. So whichever one y'all like.
Or whichever one y'all would prefer.
My phone shuts off if I'm recording. Don't worry, I press the update on my phone. So I'm just letting y'all know if it stops midway while I'm talking. You know, I'm just letting y'all know that right now. For y'all say, oh man, his videos suck, which I know probably some of y'all do, but still, hey, thank y'all for the support on my YouTube. Thank you. Can't thank y'all much. Yeah, right. Can't thank y'all enough, man.
Did the trunk legit just open? You serious? The trunk. Okay, I thought I heard the. Hold on. There, just to make sure. My keys get stuck. Hold on. Let me just turn the Bluetooth off real quick. Shut my door so nobody would come in. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. These trucks with their boats in the water. You see this thing? The only car here for now. You know, there's like 4 trucks, but like the other, you can't see the other one, I don't think. If I knew how to walk straight. Man. What the heck? All this bull crap. Gosh, all the spider webs. Okay, bugs. You can chill out. All these blind mosquitoes. Yeah. Jeez. I don't know anymore. Shoot. Way over there. Yeah, that's downtown where that water tower, where that water tower is. That's downtown, where downtown is. So that one's like over where the cow pasture is, like near the football field. The blue one. Not that one. The one, okay, the one in the middle, technically. So this lake's pretty big, as y'all can see. But yeah, this is what I like about the small town. Of course, I have to have the sunglasses on. You know what I'm saying? There's no product placement, so please don't take down this video. Yeah, when you live in a small town like this, I mean, yeah, you hear people doing their lawns. You can hear like dogs barking across town if the wind's blowing just right. You can hear the cows at the cow pasture mooing if the wind's just blowing right. You can hear the football games, like the announcers. Even on a not windy night, you can still hear the announcers at the games if you just listen. But honestly, on the windy nights or with a good breeze, yeah, you can, and it's blowing towards you, yeah, you can definitely hear it. That's what I like about a small town like this. You can just hear just about everything. And it's in between two lakes. So, I mean, that's another win. Y'all are probably like, man, Keiichi, you put your car through too much. And yes, I do. Kind of. Yes, I do. I know. So, here's what I have to say to you, car. I am sorry I put you through a lot. And well, not for me. So, don't worry. Do not worry. But yeah, this lake is the bigger lake out of the two that we have here. This is the biggest lake out of the, well, two in town that we have. So this is the fishing lake. The other lake I was at, it's the like have fun lake, go swimming lake. Hey, you gotta put it in that eco. Say we just was at the fishing lake. Now we're back at the fun lake, the swimming lake. The lake everybody likes to hang out at. Yes, I know I'm here all the time, but it's true. This is the lake everybody likes to hang out at, including me. So sorry about that. Saying, see me? Sorry about that. I don't know where it went. Yeah, there it is. Sorry for it being so blurry. This is like a little landing strip owned by a little community over there. So that's where the planes go and land. It's like in a long stretch of grass. Thanks for watching. I'm Keiichi, and see you in the next video. Peace.